Kate here with WTI, and if you're looking for an oversized, super comfortable, portable camping chair for this summer, this awesome one is from Northroad, and I definitely think you will love it. So there's a few things that stand out to me. One is its size. It has a weight rating of up to 300 pounds. So it is nice and wide and comfortable, and it feels sturdy, which I really like. It's well constructed. It also has a cup holder, which of course is an essential, especially in the summertime. It has a cell phone holder, which just gives you the option to be hands-free. So if you want to FaceTime with somebody or maybe record or watch a video or something, you can do that right here with this attached cell phone holder. So cool. It collapses down nice and compact. It comes with a carrying case, so you can bring this absolutely anywhere. It comes in several different colors. This one is in the gray and black. It has this really nice stitching around the edge, which not only looks really pretty, but it gives you the confidence to know that this product is going to last a really long time. So if you're also looking for a camping chair to enjoy the outdoors, I think this one is an excellent choice, and that's my point of view.